there. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day in JA. And it's breakfast time. It's breakfast time. And this morning, I feel like making something Jamaican for breakfast. Who can guess down below what I'm making?
I smell it, but I don't know what you're making.
You smell it, but you don't know what I'm making?
No. I think you're making ninja food.
You think I'm making ninja food?
Yes.
He said, Mama, I look like a
ninja.
He said my outfit look like I'm a ninja. So I'm making ninja food. Okay. I am making banana fritters that I haven't made in a while. Last night I told Babe that I felt well, saltfish fritters. You know, in Jamaica, in the night after you eat dinner, and if you feel hungry, the first thing you're gonna snack on is fritters. I don't know if we're in Jamaica you're from, if that's how you are, but in the country where I grew up, in the countryside, that's all we eat when we are hungry in the nights and want something to eat. When you don't have all the fancy snacks, all you need is some flour, some salt, a little sugar, and some oil on the gas stove or the kitchen. Go to the kitchen, go make wood fire, and those fritters are the best tasting fritters. Remember I told you so. Yup. So I am making a little fritters right now. All I have in here is 2 mashed banana, flour, salt, a little sugar, and that's that. I'm not making too much. So I know some people put all different kind of things in their banana fritters. Some people put vanilla, some people put nutmeg and cinnamon. I like to keep my banana fritters simple. Simple, but of course there's nothing wrong with putting all that you want to put in yours. I like to keep it simple, tasty, and ready to eat, girl. Alright, that's good. Let's get frying. Hopefully you guys are good and having a good day. The kids are around here. It's been raining all day yesterday and all night last night. It stopped now though, so hopefully today is not too bad and we can probably go out in the street later to, not in the street, but to go get some supermarket stuff today. I don't know. Let's see how everybody feels. I'm not doing too bad. It's just my nose is a bit stuffy, so I still sound and it's a bit rough around the edges. But other than that, I'm not feeling no pain.
Mama, what kind of ninja food you're making?
Banana fritters.
Oh.
You like that, don't
Mama?
you? Yes, Stella.
You know what the ninja love to eat the most?
What?
It loves to eat strawberry, raspberry, and raspberry.
Ninjas love to eat strawberries and raspberries.
Yes, because it's red.
Oh,
that's what red ninja likes to eat.
Okay, can you pull up the volley for me, please? I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the time, bam.
Mama.
And I'm rocking my bonnet by African Fabs. Come say good morning to the faves.
You know why I say that?
Come say good morning to the faves. Oh, he's getting so big I can't lift him up anymore.
Bonjour.
So you're not giving them patois and English today, you're giving them French?
Yes.
Okay, bonjour tout le monde. Mean hello everyone. You're my first baby.
Mama,
My big baby. Alright, get down, get down. Oh,
Mama, you know,
get down.
Mama, you know
The
why
food burning.
You know why I say red ninja?
Why?
Because I have a t-shirt in red.
You're too funny. Let's go find the princess. Hello, princess. Oh. Hello, princess. Oh. Princess, why you throw out all those things out of your playpen? You're wearing your brother's shirt that used to be your brother's. You know that? Hi. Say good morning. Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. To you, babe. Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Mwah. Mwah. Hey. Look outside, bright and beautiful like nothing happened. Fritta's pretty. If my banana fritter is not pretty like this, I don't want it.
Let me see, Mama.
When they come out, you'll see them.
I can't see it.
Because it's on the stove now, it's not safe. Go back.
I just can jump and look at it from
What did I say? When you get it, you'll see it.
And I'm hungry.
Breakfast is ready. There goes breakfast.
Breakfast?
Non. Merci beaucoup, madame.
You sound terrible.
My voice, but I'm fine. I'll be fine. Good morning,
Mama?
Yes, Dad?
I'll call this a ninja party because everybody in this house look like a ninja.
Okay.
Like you really look like a ninja. So I love you. You're the best mama in the world.
I love you too, baby. You're the best son in the world.
Thank you.
You're too cute. Princess, foodie, see food there. Yeah, for this one is for you. This hot. Tyler, don't hear your mouth, please. Is hot? Tell them what's your favorite thing to eat for lunch.
Hot dog.
Look how happy he is. When we go back to New York, I'm gonna take you in the streets of New York City and buy you a hot dog. New York City streets have some of the best tasting hot dog I've ever had.
Oh, I remember.
You remember when we bought hot dog?
I remember when we went to Central Park and
Exactly.
when we finished, we buy hot dogs.
Exactly. Mama love New York street food.
Me too.
I love New York street food. It just tastes so good.
I love it too.
Yeah. We're gonna go.
Do you remember when I went in somewhere, me and Uncle Conrad or Aunt Danica, I don't remember which one of them, and we went to buy something.
I remember.
But without Papa, Sarah, and you.
I remember. Where is Tyler? He's coming to get you. Find Tyler, find Tyler. Go find Tyler. Go and find Tyler. Go find Tyler. Go look for Tyler. Go on. Go look for Tyler. Go find Tyler. She almost fell. Tyler, you're frightened her too much this time. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to put on the socks that have the thing under the bottom. Go find Tyler. Go look for Tyler. Go on. Go find Tyler. Go find Tyler. Go on. Go look for Tyler. Go. Come, let me follow you. Look at her hiding behind my foot.
Mama, you left the fridge open. You're not supposed to do that.
Okay, thanks for checking me. Go find Tyler. Go and look for Tyler. She come in time. Go and look for Tyler, Sarah. Where's Tyler? Go. Go find Tyler. Go look for Tyler. Go on. Go find Tyler. Come. Go. Go look for Tyler. Go look for Tyler. Where's Tyler? He's under there, Sarah. What is brother doing? Huh? Where's Tyler? Where's Tyler? He's under here. Look, is Tyler under here? Your brother is a fool. She doesn't care right now. I am in the kitchen making some din. Oh, I just rhymed. I'm making dinner right now. I am making cabbage and corned beef and rice for dinner today. Yes, I'm eating rice today. Yes, I'm eating. I'm gonna have a little rice today. You must learn to balance the thing. Indulge a little bit into the things that you don't eat on a daily. Sarah, no climbing.
No,
Sarah, no climbing. Once I'm in the kitchen, Sarah starts to climb. Climb up on the couch to be in my face.
No, 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 no.
Tyler telling her no. She's not happy. You see yourself? She see herself, but she's watching Blaze. Who is that? That's Sarah. That's Sarah. Who is that? Who is that? You can't touch that. No. She coming back. Say hello. Say hello. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Say hello. Why you have a hat?
And Spider-Man.
Yeah, but you pull it down too far. The eye is at your mouth now. No! Sarah, leave that. Come around here if you want to see yourself. Jeez. If you do that, you won't get to see yourself. Exactly.
No, this is the eye.
Yeah. Sarah? Sarah. That's Sarah? Sarah.
Look on the
Sarah.
eye. It's on the eye, Nana.
Okay, Tyler.
This is the eye.
Okay. Come, Malika Spidey. Let the face see you. You can see me? Or you can't see nothing?
Yeah, dear face.
Yes, face seeing you. Oh! 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 You're gonna save the world?
Yes.
Okay, so you even wear the blue pants like Spidey too?
Yes.
Okay, I
I'm
see.
Spider-Man.
Alright, Spidey.
Come from.
We stayed home all day today and did nada. Nothing.
US. US.
Babe slept twice today. He really slept. You can know he's not feeling well. But I'm doing good. It's just my voice, my nose, but otherwise I'm okay. The storm from yesterday did a lot of damage in our area, but not close to where we're living. It's more in the mountain side where we went to where we drive to go to the mountains. A lot of the houses wash away and some people missing. I think 8 plus people missing. We've been hearing helicopter all day today, so it's sad for those people, but we kind of live on a hill, so we're safe where we are. So that's what's going on. People wash away, their houses wash away, and it's just sad. Sarah, no, oh, help me. You, I said no. No. She don't even care.
See you later, Spider-Man.
Spider, what's the Jamaican expression?
Oh, I forgot. Stamp and go.
Spell the word. Stamp and go.
Yes.
STAMP. Stamp and go. Stamp and go is fritters.
Look
Oh, which one the answer? Mama says fritters, Papa not gonna say it's plantain.
But maybe I'm wrong. Say something. Maybe I'm wrong.
Stamp
Stamp and go. That's the first thing that comes to my mind.
Hurry up.
Babe, say hurry up.
Okay, sir.
You. What it is?
After salt, fish, flour, salt, pepper, and baking powder. Quite tasty.
Quite tasty.
Quite.
You heard what he said? He says the fritters make with saltfish,
Yeah.
Alright, find the next one. That one was easy.
Can I find one?
Let-
Papa don't find.
And no, Tyler, you're gonna have to guess. No, Sarah. Sarah coming for the camera again. No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Mama says no. No, no, no.
Easy for me.
No, no, no.
One
No, no, no. No, no. Back up. Back up.
Alright.
Wait.
What did Jamaican
Go close to Papa.
The Jamaican expression of today
Tyler, come here.
is make for yeah.
No, that not sound right.
Make for yeah.
No, that not sound right.
Make for yeah. Make
Cover the.
make for yeah.
Make for yeah.
Yes,
Make for yeah.
Tyler. What means
See.
make for yeah?
Make
Make
for.
some food.
It's a make or make.
Make
Make for yeah.
I don't
It's
know.
the first I hear that one. Make for FOUR yeah. YE make for
You can't
yeah.
guess. I'm gonna give you a clue.
Yeah. Make for.
Baby.
Yes. Sarah, no.
Make for yeah.
Make for yeah. It's the
I
first
want
I
to make
hear
for
that.
yeah with you.
Make love?
No.
To make
I love you.
No. Well, guys, I get my first expression and nobody get it. Make
What it
for
means?
yeah means to get together.
It's the first I hear that. You guys, if you're Jamaican and you've heard that before, comment down below and let me know. It's the very first time I'm hearing that one. That's a good one. It's the first I hear it. Make for yeah. And it's make. MECK space.
MEK.
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 MEK space FOUR space YEYE is the first I hear that. Interesting. So I'm not so Jamaican after all. Nah, many of us come from different parts of Jamaica and it's the first we're hearing some of these expressions. What's the French expression for today?
You need to guess.
Okay, I'm gonna guess. It means or it is.
Hello. It is Hobo.
Hobo.
It's robot.
Robot. Robot is a hobo.
No,
A robot.
Oh,
A hard one?
I'll
Okay.
try a hard one.
Okay. Hey, no. Me and Sarah fighting for the camera.
System solaire.
System solar. The solar system.
Yes.
Anyway, you guys, there you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Sarah, come say bye bye.
Wait.
Come say bye bye. Come here. Come here. Say bye bye. Look. Up here. Up here. See the camera right here. Jesus Christ. Here. Say bye bye to the faves. No? Nothing? Jesus Christ. Go long.
Mama.